Fuck. Fuck.
Oh, look, he's a nice one. He's a nice. Oh, he's huge, bro. He's huge, bro. Holy crap. You got one, dog.
Oh, yeah, bro.
Show the camera real quick.
They gonna get it good. You know what I'm saying?
Hell yeah, boy.
I can't get that fucker out. You wanna try and hold him?
Nah, hell no. I ain't about to bite my motherfucking finger off. We done pulled up, y'all. We back. We back. Y'all thought we was dead and gone. No, we back, bro.
The shanties.
Ooh, he got them Rosie O'Donnell's, bitch. Them sea shanties. Dog, when I tell y'all that COVID almost knocked your boy's head off, that Otarion, and Obarion, bro, came in fucking, bro. But dog, we are back. Let's see if there's bait, bro. If there's some bait, I'll get in like that. Y'all, look, last time we went on that shit, bro, grouper, right? Oh, it's super shallow. We might be able to walk, cause on the other side of them rock, we might be able to do that, bro, if you want. We could feel the water too and see how, if it ain't that bad, bro, we might get up in this thing. Shit, I might run lures first, and then, you know, if them bitches ain't slapping, and
ain't booty clapping, then
it look like a dead snake in there.
we can come out here and try and get some live. The lures are.
So where are we gonna fish at? We're gonna do on this?
Well, I mean, it's up to you. So if you fish on the rocks,
It gets a little deeper over here.
That's what I'm saying. If you fish on the rocks, we're gonna be fishing.
We could try. We could see.
Yeah,
we could.
That's what I'm saying. We got time, but we got to get to it. You know what I'm saying?
Man, this.
Debate too much here. I'm gonna rig my shit up with a rad flat, and then I'm gonna
This dude, bro.
bring some other lures out. I'm gonna bring my pack
This
of
dude. So fast do I remember that this dude don't know a damn thing about fishing, bro. Once we get out here, bro. It's been 10 days. I kind of forgot that, you know, there's only one real fisherman here, but he reminded me real fucking fast, dog. He damn sure reminded me, bro. This dude, bro. Back, bros. We back,
I'm
bros.
motherfucking feared in their community, dog.
Yeah, right.
Like, is that big?
They see
Is that beefaroni coming?
bro, they see Big Brain when we out fishing. They gonna swim towards him. They gonna swim towards. They ain't.
They already know. They might as well just come.
Nah.
They might as well just come because they're gonna get caught anyway.
Yeah, bro. I say about 5 days ago, it was looking real slim. Like your boy might not be fishing no more, bro. That Otarion.
Shardion.
He was he had your boy down, dog.
And just to put it on the motherfucking record, your boy was out there last time.
Oh yeah, hurt.
Legion, with the Oshardion. Still waiting.
Yeah, bro, that shit hit his ass while we was out there, boy. Little did I know that shit was coming to me next, dog. Took us out fucking 10 days, bro.
Put him on his fart box real quick.
Yeah, put me on my shit box. Motherfucking, oh, we got a seagull. So yeah, maybe we'll walk them rocks, you know, depending, see how deep it is on the other side. I know it's a drop off. I just don't know how much.
When y'all waited previously, how high was it to get out to them rocks?
To our like waist.
Well, then you already know.
But on the other side of that shit.
Then on the other side, it's probably gonna be, I would say, like 3-4 feet, maybe.
We finna see. Yeah, we'll probably walk out to them rocks, B.
Right here?
Nah, bro, we got in way the fuck down there. We waited at like an angle.
Okay. Well, I guess we'll just find out. Just run it like that.
Oh, we gonna find out, all right.
I'll tell you that.
That's my shit. John finna try out these new baits. Look at these.
There's Leprechaun Joe right there.
He's got them in the poo-poo juice. Let's see what they look like. It don't look bad, John. That's.
I'm telling you, bro. I don't think they're gonna smack. I'm gonna try one out right now.
He gonna put them things on. You know me, I'm running with the Z, man. I'm
show my pack of Z's too.
Let's see.
All different types of Z-mans in the poo-poo.
Bad
Smell,
shads,
I got shrimp in there, got
pearl
the electric
paddler.
chickens, pearl paddlers, bad shad. Smell that just crept out of that bag, dog. But yo, big beefaroni here. Out here with the Zoot man doing his fish dance. Always got to pay homage to the fish gods. Out here walking to these rocks that we had mentioned previously. Oh yeah.
Bro, I'm telling you right now, be very careful.
Big beef.
You gotta tilt that shit down some, bro.
What?
That shit, you can.
Oh yeah. I didn't even know it was up like that. Oh, big beefaroni might be taking a tumble today, folks.
That is one thing I forgot about these bitches, bro.
I'm just gonna stand in the middle of them, like on the actual sand.
Yeah, that might be bad.
We're fighting wind, casting out.
Find it, old Tarion.
Yeah, this is where I caught the grouper, bro. Grouper, like.
Yeah, bro, we're casting against the wind though. That's the fucking shitty part.
Oh, look back there, bro.
Huh? Oh shit. Oh shit. Here comes the adventure, dog. Fuck, got caught on a rock, I think. Yeah, exactly what I didn't want to do. I didn't mean to jump off. I tried to step on one. I'm trying to get my fucking lure off. Fucking. Damn, bro, I bashed my fucking shin. Fuck, man. And it right on his pooper, dog. Get my bait, bro. Lost the jig and lost it all, dog. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god, bro. Osteochardion. Lost it all, dog. Probably watching the whole thing go down.
Bro, the second you got up on that rock, I knew that was not a good idea.
It wasn't even, bro, I was cool on the rock. It wasn't even.
Walk down like around the back of the island or what?
Yeah, we can. Trying to. Oh, that's where they at, boy. Here come the mullet jumping. They out here, Billy. Oh, let me hit that, dog. Let me get like a little sip of that. Yep. I've been trying to keep up with it, you know. Last time I watched at your place. Might change my lure out. No, I'm not putting the shrimp on, but I might change it to that other one I got, the new ones from Salt Strong. I might change it to one of those.
What do you got on?
Bad Chad. Might change it to something like, hey, pull his ass up, bro. Pull his ass up, bro. Hey, a catch is a catch. I'm gonna change up my lure and see what happens.
Fuck it, dude. Might as well get a cast out here, dude. Maybe the fucking trout will be sitting out here and just like
Out here harassing crabs, bro.
Get up in here and look.
I'm looking, bro. It's scarce. There ain't. My boy.
This just, it ain't gonna work out, bro. This ain't.
Yeah, that was all I had, bro. That was me putting my back into it, bro.
You ain't doing a goddamn thing.
Huh? Jacks? Damn, it gets deep right here. Big ass sheep head. What? We out on these boulders, boy. I don't know if y'all can see, that junk is deep though. Sheep head down there. If we had some oysters or something. It's deep though, for sure. Hell yeah, we gonna see if these motherfuckers hit these hoes. They should. Huh? Might gotta put like 2 of them. Y'all can see we're using oyster meat. We're just putting a little piece of oyster meat. I'm dropping it right down here. I'm gonna see if I can catch one live action for y'all. Oh, look, he's a nice one. He's a nice, oh, he's huge, bro. He's huge, bro. Holy crap. You got one, dog?
Oh yeah, bro.
Holy crap.
Hell fuck yeah.
Let's go.
Let's
you got
fucking
one,
go,
boy.
Bro.
That's a big one.
That's a keeper.
Yeah, hey, but he might pop it now. You gotta, dude, that's a nice big sheep. Just when we were saying they weren't hitting.
Can you run back to the car and get the fucking bucket?
Yeah. Oh,
I can't get that fucker out. You want to try and I'll hold him?
nah, hell no. He ain't about to bite my motherfucking finger off. That's a nice, fat, big old sheep. Boy, you got a little gash on his head. Big old sheep head. Got one now, boys. He's not as big, but
Keeper nonetheless.
show the camera real quick.
They gonna get it good. You know what I'm saying?
Hell yeah, boy. He's a nice one.
Yeah, okay, dog.
Yeah, hold his at though.
Oh, I got the
Oh yeah.
the grip of grips on this.
You see. Got two of them big boys. Let's see. Oh yeah, there's one coming up to it. Are they coming up to that boy? Yeah, they're coming up to it for sure. Oh, they're darting in after that shit. Come on, buddy. Turn nothing into something real quick, boy.